Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. You guessed it, it's another viewer request, and this time it's seafood. Cricket's husband Ricky asked us to put together one of our favorites, so I've chosen pan-seared salmon with BBQ Beurre Blanc sauce. We're starting with the Beurre Blanc because that's going to take the longest to put together. Let's see what we're going to need. I did say this was a Bourbon Beurre Blanc, so we're using a full half cup of the bourbon. As always, all the ingredients are listed over here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. We're building this like a regular Beurre Blanc sauce, so the butter will be stirred in at the end off heat. Let's get over to the stove and start cooking. We're starting with the shallots, the garlic, the vinegar, the pineapple juice, the bourbon, the paprika, and the chipotles. I have this on over medium heat. We're going to bring this to a simmer and let it reduce by half. Now that this is reduced, we can add in the tomato paste and the Worcestershire and honey. And we're going to let this simmer for another minute or so. This is nice. We're going to turn this off and then we'll add the cubes of butter in, one or two at a time. Now that this is completely incorporated, we're going to add about a quarter teaspoon of salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Now we can get started on this salmon. I have 5 salmon fillets, 1 per person. These are getting rubbed top and bottom with barbecue rub. Now I'm using mine, but you can use whatever you like best. These are getting seared in a half a stick of butter in an oven-proof pan. Once they get turned over, they're going off the heat and directly into a 350-degree oven for about 5 minutes. We're going to start these formerly skin side up. We're going to get these turned over. Don't be afraid to use your hands. And then into the 350-degree oven. It's time to give this salmon a taste, and my heavens, does it smell good in here. Not too big of a piece. Oh, this is so tender. Oh my heavens. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.